how's it going today?
Hey, things are going well. Ready to get started? The online tutoring platform can actually be better than an in-person session just because of all the resources they've built into the online learning space.
From this diagram, we're actually missing one of the forces, and I'd like you to go ahead and add that in there and tell me what it is.
Okay, well, if we've got the force of gravity, we're gonna need the normal force.
When you're using the document editor, being able to interact real time with your student, being able to have them observe your edits as you're making them is really beneficial for them to build upon the skills that they already have by seeing how the tutor would revise their work.
My tutor can bring material to the lesson by uploading PDFs, or I can bring in my homework just by taking a picture of it using my laptop's camera.
Got it. Remember, velocity is always going to be a vector, which means direction is important.
Okay, well, we've got the horizontal component of this vector, and then we've got
being in the online platform, face-to-face with my students, and being able to talk with them and work through questions, that is absolutely seamless. Of our angle, theta. So using our given values, I want you to go ahead and fill in that equation.
Say during an in-person tutoring session, you may find yourself reaching for a calculator or a periodic table or any of the needed resources that you need. They've built all of that stuff in already, so you can just click a button to get the periodic table, a calculator, or to graph a line, which is half, and then we're going to multiply that by 250.
Using the online platform actually allows me to see several screens at once. All right, so jumping back over to our question, I'm going to put these side by side for us, just so we can see both of them. You're able to have video, you're able to have diagrams, you're able to have practice problems.
I got some homework for Wednesday that I'd like to go over the first problem with you, if that's okay.
Absolutely, you want to go ahead and upload that?
Uploading documents to the online tutoring platform can't be easier, really. Many different file formats are supported, and you just click a button and find your file, and it appears in the workboard.
So the first thing that I see here is that he is no longer accelerating.
Varsity Tutors' online learning platform has let me connect with tutors all over the country. They've done it in a way that can support a number of different tutoring and learning styles, so whatever tutors and students want to make of their learning environment, they have the capability to do so. But in the opposite direction. Oh, and that's going to be the force of the air.
Absolutely, great job, Laura.
Thanks, Cara.
I've really enjoyed my experience working with the online platform. It's given me all the capabilities to have a personal experience with a student that meets and even surpasses the experience that I'm used to having in person.